Hello, welcome guys. So today we are going to see an easy level question from LeetCode. So the question is like this. So how many numbers are smaller than the current number? So it is of easy. We don't have to strain our brain that much. Yeah. So let's go to the description of the function. Okay. We have given an array nums. Okay. For each num, find out how many numbers are there in array smaller than it. Means for every num in the array, we have to find number of items which are less than it. Okay. With the following condition. Right? This is the following condition that I and j, when two indexes should not be equal, and the current index I item must be greater than any other index. Okay, so let's go to the example. Right, so we have given a nums array. The array is like this: 8, 1, 2, 2 and 3. So as per the description of the function, we have to find the smaller numbers than the current element. For example, let's consider this 8. 8 is greater than 1. Okay, 8 is greater than 2. It is greater than this 2 again, and 8 is greater than 3 as. So 8 is greater than 4 numbers in the array. So 4 comes here. Next 1. 1, as you can observe here, 1 is less than 8, less than 2, less than 2 and less than 3 as well. So there is no element which is less than 1. So its count is 0. Okay. In case of 2, we have only one which is less than 2. So for this 1 comes. For this 2, similar, this 1 comes. And for 3, no, 3 is the interesting case here. We get both cases. We get to understand both cases here, right? So there are few elements which are greater than 3 and less than 3. Okay. So 8 is greater than 3. So it is eliminated. Now 1, it is less than 3. Then 2, it is also less than 3. Then 2, it is also less than 3. So 3 is means there are 3 elements which are less than 3. 1, 2, 2. Okay. So this is the result, and we have to return this here. Let's go to one more example. So in this case, we are given array as 6, 5, 4, 8. In case of 6, count number of elements which are less than 6. So 5 is 1, 5 is 1, then 4 is 1. Okay. In case of 5, check how many elements are less than 5. Oh no, there are only one element which is 4. 6 and 8 are greater than 5, so only 1. Now 4. So 4 is the smallest element in the array. By observe, just observe it. Okay. So 0, we will use get 0. And for 8, it is the largest element. Okay. So 4 is less than, 5 is less than, 8 is also less than 8, 6 is also less than 8. So there are 3 elements which are less than 8, so its count is 3. Similar for this, you can observe here. Given an array, all elements are same. So 7, 7, 7, 7. No element is less than 7. 0. For second element, also 0. For third element, no element greater than, so it is also 0. And for fourth element, also 0. Okay. Next, go to implementation. Now ANS is a list. It is the final answer we will be using. Then we will be using brute force approach to find the solution. Okay. As per the constraints we are given, length of the array is less than 500. So even if we use brute force, it will not go into time limit exceed exception. Okay. So I am using brute force here. For every element in the range, loop through it. add 0 at the end of resulting array, then again loop through all the array elements, check the current index is less than the item from the current index and index should not be equal to I, else index of -1 plus equal to 1, and return the ANS. So that's it, and thank you very much. Bye bye. So one thing remaining was check whether the written solution is correct or not. So as you can see here, this is the accepted solution, okay, and it beats 5% as we are using brute force approach. Thank you very much. Bye bye.